Hello, hello. Attraction marketing, the biggest topic out there. You hear it everywhere, but what is it? So many of us don't know that we have this gift to have attraction marketing. And basically, it's people coming to you. They come to you. You don't have to go after them. Attraction marketing. I'm going to talk about 4 ways that you can exercise this amazing gift that it is attraction marketing. Attraction marketing, what is it? It's when people come to you to buy your product because they are out there. They need your service, they need your product. All right. So let's talk about, putting yourself out there. Basically, there's many people that like the same things that you like, that they use the same things that you do. We're all humans. There's not that many differences between us. So you are bound to have someone that likes and needs the same things that you do, right? So putting yourself out there is basically what first you have to do in order to attract others that like the same things that you do. People with similar interests will come to you. It is a no-brainer, all right? And it works if you do it right. The way that I'm going to be telling you the tips is the right way to do attraction marketing, all right? So number one is you got to talk about the benefits, okay? People do not want to know what you're selling or your service. You got to solve a problem that they have. So you have to say what your product or your service does, what your products do, not what it is. People are interested to know what your product can do for them, what your service will do for them. Remember that. It's going to switch the way that you think, the way that you engage with others. You're trying to solve their problem. You are bringing a solution. You are bringing the answer to their question. That's attraction. Now, number two is choose a platform. Whatever it is that you love to use the most. Self-evaluate. Where are you the most in your phone? Are you on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok? Whatever it is, just focus on that one. And then from that material that you create or content that you create, you can start putting it somewhere else. But first, focus on the one that you see the most result, the most engagement, the most that your time that is being invested into this. Remember, all these things online, it is a full-time job because we're constantly engaging with people. This is what is the beauty of social media, that we have so many other people that we can connect to from different states, from different countries. There is no limit for you out there. And attraction marketing will have the right people come to you, all right? And in the same platform, we have to know our audience, okay? What age are they? What gender? And what are their problems? Also, the timing when you post your videos or your content, because it is the time that they're going to be able to see it. Are they off? Are they, at work, or are they at home? You got to figure out who it is that you're targeting in order for you to be effective in the way that you present your product or your content or your service, right? And number three, with your own self, you also have to pick your own schedule. Having your own schedule, having your own planner, the way that you decide, okay, this day is for this day is for this, at this time, is going to create a consistency that not only is it going to help you, but it's going to help others see that you're for real, that you're taking this for real, you're taking responsibility of it, that you are actually giving your word into doing the things that you're saying that you're going to do at the right time. And people are going to see consistency, and they like that. People like consistent people because they tend to believe more in that person, not someone that says yes and then no, but be a person of your word, right? So be consistent in everything that you do, and I promise you, you will see the results that you want and need. Yes, we do. And number four, a lot of the businesses, and nowadays we have network marketing, we have so many businesses, that companies that we can join, and it doesn't take a lot of investment, to be honest, but we need to put our skin in the game, okay? And number 4 is treat your business like $1 million business. Show up for your business, show up for your team, show up, put your face out there. Treat your business like you already have $1 million invested in, and you're also getting paid $1 million. You will see those people be inspired by you. They will feel that fire to keep going, and they will know what to do, because at the end of the day, we want everything to be duplicatable. What does that mean? That other people can duplicate. What is it that you're being successful but your team is not? Is that really making you successful? I don't think so. So you want to help others so that they can follow in your own steps, and they can have that success as well, right? Now, attraction marketing. What is it? It is a strategy that attracts customers and clients to you who already want to buy what you have to offer. You don't have to beg. You don't have to, go drive people crazy. Let me tell you, they will come to you when you have these targets already set for yourself. Okay. Don't put yourself in a thin spread, but actually gather yourself together so that you know who it is that you're trying to help. And trust me, those people are going to be blessed by what you have to offer. But number 1, you have to put yourself out there. Put yourself out there. There is someone that needs what you have, and there's a blessing that you carry that others need. So I will end it there. Go follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow me, it is bianca.picado. And here on YouTube, here on Facebook as well. Please like and comment. If you have any other topics you want me to talk about, I'm definitely so excited to help you as well. And yeah, so God bless you. I hope you took notes, and let's attract what we deserve. All right.